Hello and welcome back to another Out of Spec Bits video. So today we are looking at the solution to a modern problem, the modern spare. I just got this for my ID.4, and basically what this is modern cars, as you've probably seen, especially electric cars, due to packaging, weight, and a bunch of different things, don't have spare tires. And this company sells a solution to that, which is a tire that actually fits the same diameter as the tire that I have on here now. And I'm gonna basically unbox this and go over the details of what's in here and what you need to know.
Are you in the market for a brand new electric car? Yes? Then come closer. Have I got news for you? Our friends at the CCAN Action Fund are giving away 3 brand new EVs as a part of their 8th annual Raffle for the Planet fundraiser. That means 3 winners. If you've been looking for a chance to drive off in a brand new electric vehicle, this is it. The first place winner will drive off in a brand new Rivian, Lucid, or Porsche EV. The second place winner will drive off in a highly anticipated Rivian R2 or one of the Hyundai Ioniq lineup, or the very fun Volkswagen ID Buzz. The third place winner will get a Chevrolet Bolt, and they even cover state and federal taxes. So they only sell 10,000 tickets, and right now only 4,000 are sold, so those are fantastic odds. It's only $200 per ticket, so go ahead and get yours now. To enter, go to www.ebraffle.org. Pause this video right now and go to www.ebraffle.org and enter to win. Or you can go down in the show notes and find the link down there.
And for those of you who don't know, this is specifically designed for the load of your vehicle. So this one is specifically designed for the ID.4, so it is designed to handle the weight of whatever car you get. So it's not going to be a problem for one car or another, because you're getting the specific one for your specific car. So let's go back here to the trunk and start unboxing this. So I have really and truly not opened this yet, so I'm not completely familiar with everything. So we're gonna dig in here. Basically cut these off. There's some fancy ways you can twist these and pull them off, but I don't remember how. Oh well, we'll just cut them. That's what knives are for. And oh, we got a cool carrying case. And then some of your packaging. And Velcro straps for something. I guess you could strap this over something like that. That's pretty cool, because you can kind of put this wherever you can put it or want to put it, because cars a lot of times don't have a designated spot. Put that over there. And there's the front. Modern spare. That is cool. Let's open this bad boy up. So this is how you would store it. Most likely, anyway. You're in this case. That's nice and put together. Oh, what is this? Drive confidence. Instructions, see back. Engineered for your peace of mind. Yeah, so basically saying instructions, and they are designed for your specific vehicle to meet specific loads and things like that. Like I had just mentioned. Little hair tie, I don't know. I'm actually not sure what that is. Yeah, so this is pretty sick. I mean, being that this is the size tire, I mean, the ID.4 has 19 or 20 inch rims depending on what trim you get, and so then plus the tire, I mean, to fit this whole thing in a packaging this size is pretty good. I mean, it's still big because it's an entire full diameter of a tire, but you're putting the jack in here, so you have a jack with this and everything, all contained in the rim itself. That's pretty sick. Not sure what these are yet. We've got some, what I believe is the lug nuts, or in the Germans' case here for my Volkswagen, they use lug bolts, I think is what this is. So I've not taken these wheels off myself yet, so I'm not sure And I've not dealt much with German cars, but yeah, so I guess that's what you would use for those. Oh, and they even have the little cap removal. So if you don't know, I'll insert a clip here showing you the little caps you have to take off, because Volkswagen, Germans, they like to make things complicated, for some things anyways. So this has a, what is like a cam belt clamp that just sits on there. You undo that, pulls right off of the rim. And we are left with, wow, that's interesting. So this must be on the ground, and I think this goes up into the car. I'll have to find the spot exactly. It may be made specifically to fit something in your car on that jack. I'm not 100% certain. And then, let's see. Yeah, so basically you take this little red cap off, and you've got a little ratcheting system here, which makes it way easier than having to, you know, do things without some ratcheting mechanism. That's cool. So yeah, you can change direction with that. Not certain what this is. This is baggies? What are bags for? I'll be honest with you, I'll have to look at instructions on that one. There's a lot of things going on here that don't fully make sense to me. I'm gonna be honest with you, I might just run this full time. This looks sick. If I could just get a real tire on here, I think it goes all blacked out. This is not bad. No, but really, truly, these feel very substantial for a temporary tire. This is a solid wheel, definitely rated for the weight. The tire here is a Continental, actually. Extreme Contact, no, I'm just kidding. It's a temporary tire, so it just says Continental. Continental makes it, but it is a, yeah, temporary use only, as you can see there. And I figured this out finally. This is your handle, and you could basically take this as an extension, put it on here, and then you've got your socket that you can actually tighten or loosen, and then take it around or spin it like this and get it back in position and move it again. So yeah, that's a really cool solution. Seems like it works pretty darn well, like compared to a lot of temporary solutions or emergency kits. This feels solid, feels good. So I like that. Yeah, like I said, looks amazing. And here is our jack in action. So Volkswagen ID.4 is a little weird. Apparently these little weld points right here are the only place to jack. So this has those grooves in the middle. If I can find a shot, there we go, where it fits between them. There's still plastic there that it looks like it would crush, but I don't know. This is what all the research I've done, this is where it's at. So yeah, it works like that. This was really easy to put here, honestly, and ratchets super smoothly and easily, taking weight off the car. So yeah, don't really need to take the whole thing up and do it, but everything really does work quite well. Well, that is pretty much my look at the modern spare for my ID.4. Now, one thing I want to mention is, I don't think I mentioned price yet. This is the complete kit, which has the jack and everything included, and it is like $510 right now from what I'm looking at. So that is something to keep in mind. I don't know if it's worth it for everyone, but for people that do certain applications where maybe you're in more remote places and you just want the security of it, depending on your situation, it really could pay off and be worth it. It really just depends on your situation and what you need to use it for. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for me, guys. So thank you for joining on another Out of Spec Bits video, and I'll see you in another one soon.